Very good morning to all students. Today I'll tell you how to deposit money from the bank. Okay, this is your deposit form. Understood? And this form is only used in State Bank of India. Okay, this is also called Bharati State Bank or State Bank of India. So this is the form, we have to fill it. Okay, if someone has an account in the bank and wants to deposit money, he will have to fill this form first. Okay, so I will tell you how to fill this form. Listen it carefully and you have to know how to write. So first you have to write branch name here. Okay, branch name means where is the bank, in which district. So first I tell you in Dhamtari. So write here Dhamtari. Then next one is date. Date is mentioned. Where is written? This one is date. So what is today's date? You have to write today's date, 23, year, month and 2020. Okay, now we have to write an account number. Account number means which number is given by, whenever you have to open your account, the account number is given by the bank. Okay, that number you have to write here. Suppose this is my number 38256 38292. Okay, this is my number. I have written my account number. Then I write my name. With the help of this form, you can deposit your money, you can put your money in your bank. So next thing is, you have written your name here. Then how much money you are depositing in your account. Suppose you are keeping 5,000 rupees. So you have to write 5,000. Then here is written rupees in words. So you have to write 5,000 rupees only. Okay. Then next one is mobile number. Understood? Next one is mobile number. You have to put your mobile number here. Then you have to give your mobile number. Then there is a one thing is main, PAN card number. You have to write your PAN card number. Understood? Then last thing is here for this slip, signature of depositor. Next one is signature of depositor means which person is depositing money. You have to sign here that signature. This slip was goes in bank and this one is given to you. This is your receipt. Okay, whenever you go in bank, whenever you put your money in bank, you have to fill this type of form, this type of deposit form. Okay, and same as it is, you have to write here what you have written here, account number 38256 38, like this. You have to write your same number in this side. Okay, then same exactly you have to write here date, in which date you are writing. Then here branch name, what you have written here, branch name, you have to write that same thing here. Okay, branch name. Then 5,000 rupees total amount. Okay, in cash you are putting. Next, rupees in words you have written here na, in rupees, 5,000 rupees only. So you have to again write here 5,000 rupees only. Understood? This slip was goes in bank, and this one is given, this slip is given by a bank, and backside of this form there is details of your cash. There is written details of your cash. What is written here? जमा की गई नगदी, या जितने पैसे आप डालेंगे. ओके, सो देयर इज रिटर्न, say this, number of pieces of notes and coins you have given. So whatever you have given, suppose you are giving 500 rupees note, so how much you are giving? That is 4 notes. So you have to total 500 into 4, that is 2000. So you are writing here 2000 rupee. Then you are keeping 200 rupees note, 20 notes, so that is 2000. Then next 100 rupees note, 10 notes you are putting here, 10 notes of 100 rupees, so that is, then we have to cut that all area, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, we have to cut all this. Then we have to count 0 0 0, all 0, 1 2 2 4 plus 1, 5000 rupees. And then we have to given this form into the cashier account, which one we have to given that amount. Okay, so this is your deposit form. Now I will tell you how to withdraw. Okay, listen here carefully. This is your withdrawal form. Okay, how can you withdraw? How can you take out your money with the help of this form? Okay, I'll tell you. So first you have to write same thing, branch. Where is the bank? Dhamtari. Where is your account? Then name of the account holder. You have to write here number. I will write my name. Then date is written here. Understood? Then again what is written here? Account number. I have already written in this deposit slip. That same number we have to know, and we have to put here our number. Understood? 382192. Now what is written here? Rupees paid to slip us only. Now you have to write here rupees. How much rupee you want to take out? Okay, how much you want that money? Suppose you want 3000 rupees. Okay, 3000 money. So you have to write 3000 rupee only. Then you have to write your PAN card number, your mobile number. Understood? What is your mobile number? You have to put here which mobile number you have given. Then last and main thing is you have to sign here. What is written here? Signature of the account holder. Account holder. Suppose I have written my name, so my account is in this bank, so I have to sign that is matching with my account. Okay, so I sign here like this. Then which type of rupees I want to take out from that bank, we have to write here. Suppose I want 200 rupees of 5 notes, that is 1000. 2000, sorry, we have to write 200 rupees. Sorry, first I write 500. How many notes I want in that numbers? 500 into, so 4 note I have written, so 500 rupees note of 4 notes. So how many note is here? 2000 rupees. Then 5 notes of 200, so this is 3000 rupees. Understood? So whenever you fill this form properly and neat and clean, then bank will give you that money. Understood? You can fill this form. Now you all are understood how can you fill deposit form or withdrawal form. Okay. Now those who are not educated, suppose those who are not educated, they have to put their thumb here. Understood? Those who are not educated, those who are illiterate, they have to put here thumb, their thumb impressions. Okay. And every person have different thumb, you know now, every person have different thumbs, so they can give their thumb, and when their thumbs are given, okay, their thumbs are matching, they have to thumb, put their thumb here also. Okay, at that place they have to put their thumb in front of cashier. Then they have, then the cashier give you that money. Understood? Then the another way of withdrawal your money, that is by check. Now I'll tell you how to fill your check form. This is your check of Andhra Bank. Okay, so what you have to write here, I told you, listen here. Here I am telling you date, here is written date. Okay, then pay. Pay means you have to write whom you are giving to that money. Next one is rupees. For rupees, how much you are giving money? 4650 rupees. So you have to write in words here. 4650 rupees only. Then this is your check number, and whenever you are giving your check, you have to sign here. This is your sign. Understood? Okay. Now this is your questions. For what all purposes can a loan be taken from the bank? For what purpose means for what are the work that we have taken the loan from the bank? So answer is loan can be taken out from the bank for building purpose, for making buildings, houses. Okay, building houses. Education, pupils are take loan for their educations, comma, marriage, purchasing household items, agricultural productions, okay, etc. Next question. So question number second, how can one get loan from bank? How can people get loan from bank? So there are 3 points you have to know. Needy person goes to a bank and discuss with the manager. First the person go in the cabin of manager and he tell their things. Okay, next thing, fill the loan form. Then he have to fill the loan form and attach required documents, those copies, those necessary things they have to give. Then third one is person can repay the loan in installment with interest, then that person can repay that payment, that loan, then he can pay in installment. Installment means in small money with interest. He give the more amount that he has taken from that loan. And the last question is, what is Aadhaar card? You all of you know what is Aadhaar card. So look here, Aadhaar card is an identification card for the individual Indian citizen. Each and every Indian citizens have their own individual Aadhaar card, and it has 12 digit number is allotted to each every Indian citizen. Okay, now this all things you have to note down.